There's a number of things in my life I simply could not do without. 1 being nujabes, 2 being nujabes, and 3 being nujabes. Oh, and this list right here. Very deep inside of that list is my love and adoration, my amore, for deep dish pizza. Chicago style. Of course, it's the only way to do it. A little known fact about Chicagoans, anyone living here for 5 or 6 years automatically has to go through a procedure. This is mandated by law, where their blood gets turned into rich, thick, and hearty marinara sauce. Look, it's a costly preventative measure, but it has to be done to ensure the allegiance to the greatest pizza in the world. Today we have Amore chocolate pizza for the love of chocolate. Frankly, the only reason somebody should do anything, but honestly, oh, and for the lulz, of course. It also says it's a deep dish decadence. Triple D's, yes. On the back, it says it's the Samore Amore flavor. Oh boy, this is going to be a delicacy. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy in half. Much like any other decent pizza brand, it comes in its own little box that can be resealable at your convenience. The pizza also comes wrapped up. Ah, look at that little plastic. Oh man, shows the same thing at the bottom. Just in case somebody tries to sell this on the black chocolate pizza market. It's a booming industry. Of course, this has not been oven baked. I don't see that ending well for this chocolatey pizza. However, it does come with a graham cracker crust, as you can see on the bottom. I'd show you more of it, but my table is already covered in crumbs. Now let's just take a little look-see here. You're probably wondering, oh, why not use a knife? Because I am not a Nancy boy. And frankly, I'm gonna take a bite of this the old-fashioned way. Let's take a taste. As a Chicagoan, I give this thing my official seal of approval. The white chocolate cheese, which is an odd sentence in and of itself, the marshmallows, the graham cracker crust, and of course the delectable milk chocolate, well, sauce, comes together in such a way that you just can't say no to one bite, or in my case, one chomp. Oh, this is glorious. I love the way the marshmallows sort of have this nice gooey consistency to them. It's almost like they were oven baked. Oh, okay. I'd say, if you like pizza in the least, pick this son of a gun.
5.6 papayas out of 6.